Welcome to Newcom. Today, we're going to learn how you can establish a conference using the CloudXentral Communicator app. Remember, with Newcom, you're able to receive and manage your phone calls on up to 3 different devices: your desk VoIP phone, your PC or laptop, and your mobile phone. This is the softphone dashboard as displayed on your computer. Now, let's receive a phone call. Here we go. A new call is coming in. The app will display the caller's name and phone number, along with some options: reject, answer, forward, and voicemail. Let's tap answer to accept the call. Once you've tapped answer, you'll see the call handling options on your screen. These include mute your microphone, place the caller on hold, hung up to end the call, transfer or conference the call. To set the conference call, you need to first initiate a new call with the third party to be included into the conference. You can use the dots menu on the top left-hand corner to activate the dial keypad and enter a phone number manually, or go directly to your Communicator app dashboard and click on any contact to initiate the new call. Once you establish the new call and the third-party answer, you can speak, try an introduction, and finally click and drag the new call window and drop it over the first call window. The conference call has been set. You can now see the participants and handle each one individually using the 3 dots menu in front of them. Finally, you can complete the conference by selecting the resume button. And that's how you can establish a conference using the CloudXentral Communicator app from your PC.